Have you ever wondered why some high-tech companies blossom into global giants, while others wither away into obscurity? What role does their geographical location play in their success or failure? Today, we will delve into the insights of Dr. Hwa A. Lim, a man of diverse background and a wealth of knowledge in both tech and business, who has observed firsthand the boom and bust cycles of high-tech companies and the significance of their location. Born in Asia, educated in the UK and the US, and having worked in both academic and private sectors, Dr. Lim has a unique perspective on the dynamics of the tech industry. He emphasizes a simple yet often overlooked fact: geography matters. Echoing the mantra of business people worldwide, Dr. Lim reiterates, location, location, location. This concept is exemplified by the astonishing rise of Google, Apple's reinvention, and Facebook's IPO. According to Dr. Lim, nowhere is the exchange of ideas more valuable than in Silicon Valley. Imagine a timeline of technological advancements over the past 50 years. In the beginning, chips were the engine of Silicon Valley. Then came the personal computer and data storage drives in the late 70s, followed by software, and more recently, the dynamic vortex of the web, new media, and online commerce. Think of eBay, Netflix, Google, Yahoo, and Apple. These serial renewals and revivals are truly a marvel, or as Dr. Lim puts it, revival of the fittest. However, Dr. Lim's insights do not stop at the well-tread path of technological advancements. He boldly ventures into the lesser understood realm of user psychology. He introduces the form-function navigation chart, which suggests that innovation, design, and technology can only take a company so far. To venture further, understanding the psychology of users becomes essential. Dr. Lim believes that a successful Web 2.0 site needs a mob of people who live by it, and even more convince their friends and family to do the same. Dr. Lim also underscores the power of social networks. When executed well, social networking, media, and user-generated content sites can tap into and exploit core human emotions. They offer more than just entertainment and news. They stroke egos by offering validation, by making users feel seen and heard. And more than that, they offer a sense of connection, a powerful human need that makes these sites almost addictive. In conclusion, Dr. Lim's insights reveal that the success of high-tech companies is not just about the technology they offer, but also about understanding and exploiting what makes us so uniquely human. It's about tapping into our needs for validation and connection. And of course it's about location, because in the world of tech, as in the world of business, location matters.